If you're watching all the YouTube videos, trying all the products that they're recommending, trying the routines, and your little one's hair is still dry, this video is for you. The thing is, most moms aren't doing anything wrong. They're just missing clarity and structure. And believe it or not, that is fixable. Hey mama, welcome back to my channel. This month I've been showing you what actually works when it comes to moisture routines and length retention. But today I want to talk about why things are still not working for a lot of moms despite you trying your best. Now mama, here's the truth that doesn't get said enough. Well, I'm not hearing it from anyone else. YouTube is an amazing platform for learning, but it doesn't always help you apply what you've learned or in a way that actually suits your little one's hair needs. You can watch wash day routines, moisture routines, product videos. You've probably even watched a lot of mine. But without knowing when to do what, how often to do it, and how to adjust it to help meet your little one's current hair needs, it still feels confusing. And it's at this point when moms usually say to me, I'm doing everything, I'm trying everything, but it's still not working. Something is just still not right. The real problem is that there's no feedback, there's no structure, and most moms don't need more information. They need clarity, they need structure, they need reassurance, and most importantly, they need feedback so that they know if what they're doing is actually right or if they need to change something. Because the fact is, children's hair is not one size fits all, even in the same household. Trust me, I have 4. I know what I'm talking about. And without that guidance, it's so easy to over moisturize, under moisturize, manipulate their hair too much, keep changing things before their hair has had time to even respond to their current regimen, or keep doing the same things that's not working. And as some of you know, some call it insanity. And this is something I support mums with more closely inside my 5-day live moisture retention challenge. Just hold up on that. But let me explain what really changes results first. What I've seen over and over again is this. When mums truly understand moisture and moisture retention, follow a simple regimen that meets their little one's current hair needs, stop overhandling and just doing too much, understand product types by function and not chasing miracle products, and stay consistent, their little one's hair starts to change just like that. Not overnight though, steadily changes, but the changes are visible. And that steady progress is actually how length is retained. Most importantly, they feel confident again caring for their little one's hair. And that's exactly why I created my 5-day live moisture retention challenge. It's for moms who are tired of guessing. Over the 5 days, I help you to understand your little one's hair and their hair needs. I help you build a simple but effective regimen, understand the right product types, so the types of products you need to use by function and by age, fix dryness properly, reduce breakage, and finally see moisture and length retention. And the best thing, you're not doing this alone. You get 5 live teaching sessions with me, guidance and support inside our private Telegram group chat. You also get product suggestions, a regimen that actually meets your little one's hair needs, and support from other moms who are on this hair journey too. So who is this for? This challenge is for you if your little one's hair feels dry no matter what you do, wash day feels stressful, you're tired of trial and error, you're not sure what types of products to use on their hair, and you want a routine that's actually going to work, and you're ready to stop feeling unsure, nervous, frustrated, overwhelmed every time you touch your little one's hair. We're starting very soon, next week Monday to be exact. Spaces are actually limited, and the reason why I'm doing this is because I want it to be small enough where I can really give the mamas all the attention they need and really support them on this hair journey within these 5 days. Mama, if you're ready to finally feel confident when it comes to caring for your little one's hair, click the link below in the description box and sign up. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. I'd honestly love to support you inside this challenge. And if you're not quite ready just yet, that's okay. Watch the next video showing right now on the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. I break down the exact reasons why your little one's hair isn't growing so that you can decide your next step with a lot more clarity. All right, mamas, I'll see you next week. And for those joining the 5-day live moisture retention challenge next week, Monday, I'll see you then. Take care. Bye.